Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix a stuck Instagram ad in review. So if you have created any sort of ad, but now it is stuck in the review process, it is not passing that and now you're worried and you don't know what to do. So don't get worried. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fix for this issue. So first you just have to simply open up that ad that you would like to do changings. Now, what you have to do is that you have to work on the aspect ratio. Most of the time, the pictures that you have added in your ad are not correct. That means the size is too big, or the small, or the dimensions are not correct. The correct right now is the 9 by 16, which is the 9 ratio 16 aspect ratio for the ads, so make sure you have that one. Also, the resolution should be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Also, the file type should be only jpg or png. So if the resolution, aspect ratio, or the file type, any one of these isn't correct, then your ad will not be published or will not pass the review step. It will be there, you just have to simply work onto it. But let's say all of these things are correct, but still the ad is in the review process. So for that, you have to simply contact to the team of Meta Business Suite or Meta Ads Manager. Once you get there, there will be different options. You can actually open any one of these. You just have to simply rate it as a disagree and you will get this section. Now here you have to explain your scenario that you're trying to post an ad but it is not passing the review stage, so just simply help out. If you have anything else to explain, you can also do it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.